How you guys doing? I'm Jay with Gripforce Clutches. We've been in business for Gripforce since 1999. We're one of the largest clutch distributions on the West Coast. So the reason this video, I want to let you guys know, we sell on eBay and Amazon, okay? Those are our two main platforms that we sell on. Now, what I want to do for you guys who are tuning in and watching this video is give you guys that edge, that discount for those who want to, get a good deal on a good clutch that we sell here. So what we have the option is, we have PayPal and Zelle, which will be options to get a discount on one of our clutches, okay? So if you go on Amazon or eBay, if you go on Gripforce or Car Parts 247 and you see one of our clutches, no, if you go on Amazon, you're gonna get the asset number, okay? And then on eBay, you're gonna get the item eBay number below. With that information, you're gonna contact us directly with that clutch kit information. Now, the prices you see, you won't pay that if you go through the PayPal Zelle outlet, okay? So I'm gonna say that again so people can actually understand what I'm saying. So let's say you go to Kmart, Walmart, or whatever, you see, something for $4.99. You go through us using PayPal or Zelle, we can bring that down, bring you that nice discount once you contact us directly, okay? So if any questions, comments about what you guys had in the video, please like, share below. Thank you.